Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on Gradients Plus. In this video, I am going to discuss the application of Euler number. So many of you might not know this concept, so I will start with a question. So let's read the question first and then I will explain the concept and how we can apply the concept to solve the questions. So let's get started. So the question says that how many numbers from 1 to 240 are not multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So we have to find all the numbers from 1 to 240 which are not multiple of 2, 3 and 5. If you want to give it a try with the concept that you know, you can pause your video now and give it a shot. First I will solve this question using the conventional method. So to answer this question, first I will need to find the numbers which are multiple of 2, numbers which are multiple of 3 and 5, and then number which are multiple of 2 and 3, that is 2 into 3 6, multiple of 3 and 5, that is 3 into 5 15, and numbers which are multiple of 2 into 5, that is 10. So first, numbers which are multiple of 2. Now again there are two ways of finding the numbers which are multiple of 2 in a given range. Now how can you do that? The most basic way would be, now we have the lower limit and the upper limit of the range. Now find the highest number in this range which is multiple of 2. So 240 itself is a multiple of 2. So write 240 minus which is the lowest multiple of 2 in the given range. It is number 2 itself. Divided by, we are finding the multiples of 2, hence 2 plus 1. So in this case it will be 120. Another way, which is the shortest way of finding the multiples of 2 in the given range, if the range is starting from 1, is simply 240 divided by 2, and you only have to consider the quotient. Now in this case 240 is perfectly divisible by 2, hence my quotient is 120. In this way you can find the multiples of 2 in the given range. Let's find the multiples of 3. So the multiples of 3 in the given range would be 240 divided by 3, which is 80, and multiples of 5 would be 240 divided by 5, it will be 48. Now next we need to consider all the possibilities as well, that is 2 and 3, that is 2 into 3. So we need to find the multiples of 6 as well. So the multiple of 6 would be 240 divided by 6, then the quotient would be 40. Then next multiples of 3 and 5, that is 3 into 5 15. It would be 240 divided by 15. It would be 16. Now we need to consider all the 3 at once, which is 2 into 3 into 5, which is 30. So the number of multiples of 30 would be 240 divided by 30, which is 8. Now that we have got all the possible answers, we will find all the numbers within this range which are multiples of 2 and 3 and 5. And then we will subtract that number from the total numbers between 1 to 240, which will give us the final answer. Now in order to find the multiples of 2, 3 and 5 in the given range, we will need to add the multiples of 2, which is 120, plus multiples of 3, which is 80, plus multiples of 5, which is 48, minus multiples of 6, that is 40, plus multiples of 15, that is 16. So we will need to find the multiples of 10 as well, because 2 into 5 is 10. So for multiple of 10 would be 240 divided by 10, 24. So 24 plus the multiples of 30, that means 8. The answer would be 176. Now subtract this number from total numbers between 1 to 240. So 1 to 240 we have 240 numbers. 240 minus 176, it will be 64. This would be your final answer. That means there are 64 numbers between 1 to 240 which are not multiple of 2, 3 and 5. Now this is how generally most of the students attempt or solve this question. But now I am going to share the concept of an Euler number. Generally it will take you about 2 to 2.5 minutes if you are good in calculation. But with the help of the Euler number concept, you would be able to solve this question under 1 minute. So the Euler number Most of you might know this concept in the Euler theorem, which you apply to find the remainders or the last digit. But the application of Euler number doesn't end there. So basically it's a very significant number. So let's try to find the Euler number of 240. In order to find the Euler number of any number, you need to prime factorize that number first. So 240 can be represented as 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 5. So the Euler number of 240 would be 240 into 1 minus 1 by 2. So this factor 1 minus 1 upon 3, which is this one, and 1 minus 1 upon 5, which is this one. So 240 into half into 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5, which will be 64. Now understand that this number 64 is basically giving me the answer of how many numbers between 1 to 240 are not a multiple of 2, 3 and 5. Since we have considered 2, 3 and 5 while calculating the Euler's number, I am getting the final answer as 64. Now suppose you get a question that between 1 to 240, how many numbers are there which are not a multiple of 3 and 5? So in that case, while calculating the Euler number, you just need to consider only 3 and 5 parts. So 240 into 1 minus 1 upon 3 into 1 minus 1 upon 5. So it will be 240 into 2 upon 3 into 4 upon 5. Now this would be your final answer to your question. How many numbers between 1 to 240 are not multiple of 3 and 5? So I hope the concept is clear. So the next time you face a similar question, don't go ahead with the conventional method. Instead, go ahead with the Euler number concept. So I hope this video was useful. If you like this video, make sure you click on like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.